Hello everyone, you're watching Trinity News. I'm Braden.
And I'm Dagny. Let's have a look at the news of the day. September 5th, the birthday of the second president of our country, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Since 1962, this day is celebrated as Teachers' Day. In this regard, we wish all our teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.
This COVID-19 pandemic has affected educational systems worldwide, leading to the closure of schools, colleges, and universities. Teachers are working hard, making the best use of technology to reach out to the students and keeping them in touch with their subjects during this crisis too.
Today being their day, we wish them success in their endeavor. Let's hear what they have to say on this auspicious day. I have Miss Magdalena Lewis on the line.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Hi, Dagny. It's a surprise to hear from you. How can I help you?
Happy that we were able to connect you on a phone. Warm greetings on Teachers' Day, ma'am.
Dagny, thank you so much for calling. It was a real privilege, and thank you for wishing us, especially on Teachers' Day.
Ma'am, would you like to share your views and experience of 2020 Teachers' Day?
Every year, Teachers' Day was celebrated by the students, and I do recall students bustling in and out of my cabin, trying to seek permission so that they can prepare for Teachers' Day and to make this day more meaningful for us. This year has been a totally different experience, and I do admit that school without children is no longer a school. You know, Dagny, during these difficult times, we teachers are busy into technology, trying to deliver the best to our students so that you do not miss out on your education. Dagny, regarding your question about 2020 celebration, we are not expecting any celebration this year. But on a more optimistic note, I must add that we are waiting anxiously to see you all in the portals of Trinity Central School, mingling with one another and busy with your school activities. Dagny, let us take things as they come. That is, one day at a time, and conquer our dreams. I want to add that teachers open the door. You students enter by yourself. It's a privilege talking to you, and I thank you for calling and wishing me on this special occasion. Thank you, and God bless you.
Braden, don't you remember our days at school?
Oh yes, Dagny. This pandemic has kept us away from our teachers physically, but in spirit we're always with them. Here are some messages from our friends. Let's have a look at them.
Wishing all my teachers a happy Teachers' Day. On this special day, I would like to thank you all for the scrupulous efforts that you have put in to make the students of our school a better person in their life. I would even like to thank you for the meticulous efforts that you are putting in to the online classes during this pandemic to teachers. Once again, a happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Better than 1,000 days of diligent study is one day with a great teacher. A teacher takes a hand, opens a mind, and touches a heart. We know online sessions are not classrooms, but we appreciate the efforts you all put in to teach us. Thank you all for your hard work and dedication. We have underestimated the teachers in our classroom, but now we realize your importance. We hope the school reopens soon and we get to meet you all. I thank all of you teachers, and I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. We love you and miss you all.
The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. Today, we celebrate Teachers' Day to honor and appreciate the contribution of teachers in various fields. A teacher is the second parent of a student who guides and motivates them to the right path in life. I thank each and every teacher for their initiative of teaching us through online classes and providing us knowledge. Wish our teachers and mentors a very happy Teachers' Day.
Hello everyone. A teacher's purpose is not to create students in his own image, but to develop students who can create their own image. Dear teachers, today is the day to thank you all and say a very happy Teachers' Day.
Brilliant messages. This shows how much we as students are missing our teachers as well.
Yes. Brandon, here's a video clip forwarded to our channel. Let's have a look.
Good morning, teacher. छोड़ा है जहान नीचे मैं तुम्हारे अब हूँ हवाले अब दूर दूर लोग बाग मीलों दूर ये वादियाँ फिर धुआं धुआं तन्हर बदली चली आती है छूने पर कोई बदली कभी कहीं कर दे तन गीला ये भी ना हो किसी मंजर पर मैं रुका नहीं कभी खुद से भी मैं मिला नहीं ये गिला तो है मैं खफा नहीं शहर एक से गांव एक से लोग एक से नाम एक फिर से चला कुछ पाने की हो आस आस कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं हर कोशिश में हो बार बार करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी
सोचा कहाँ था ये जो हो गया माना कहाँ था ये लो हो गया चुटकी कोई काटो ना है हम तो होश में कदमों को थामो ये है उड़ते जोश में बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा गाँव है अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा गाँव है अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है
दिस टीचर्स डे दिल से निकले सिर्फ एक ही ऑनकोर
Thank you, teacher.
Dagny, that was a fabulous performance.
Yes, Bindya and her team are good dancers of Trinity Central School. Great thought from them on the occasion of Teachers' Day.
We'll be right back after this short break. Stay tuned.
welcome back after a short break. Here is the breaking news of the day. Although COVID-19 has physically separated the students from the teachers, it has given our teachers a chance to meet their teachers. Trinity Central School teachers Miss Deslin, Miss Akshata, Miss Andrea, Miss Talia and Miss Sushma met their beloved teachers who have inspired them. They had a tea time interview, and here is a short clip of their interview.
Hello, I'm Sushma. Myself, Andrea. We are with our English professor, Cyril Matthias.
I'm Jesslyn and I'm here with my primary teacher, Mrs. Meera. Hello ma'am.
Yeah. Morning.
Good morning.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೌಢಶಾಲಾ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕಿಯಾದ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ವಿನೋದ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
I'm Miss Talia and I'm here with my primary teacher, Miss Vida. Hello ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, what do you remember about me?
I can remember you very well. I can quote you as chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips and curly hair.
Okay.
Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I remember to have told in the class, once you presented a paper, and I said, this girl has a melodious voice and a stentorian voice, and you'll be a very good teacher. Do you remember that?
Yes, sir.
And Andrea, I remember, always sitting in the front, smiling and taking notes.
ಮುಗ್ಧ ಅಕ್ಷತ ಮುಗ್ಧ ಹುಡುಗಿ, ಆದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆಂಚಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದದ್ದು. ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ನಾಲಿಗೆ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹಾಕುವ ಒಂದು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಇತ್ತು ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿರುವ.
Little feeling shy, less talk.
Ma'am, how many years of teaching experience you have?
Only 25 years child.
ಅನುಭವ 27 ವರ್ಷ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಅನುಭವವನ್ನು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ದಾರಿ ಎರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ.
I can speak promptly. I don't have any experience because I speak because every year the students change.
Yes,
to speak, I have 40 years of experience that you know.
I have taught for about 36 years, 33 years taken into record.
Sir, can you please tell me what inspired you to become a teacher?
And if at all today I am a teacher, it's because of the inspiration of my teachers. They used to inspire me.
I can say promptly that God only chose me to become a teacher.
Okay.
So I love teaching, I like children.
Okay, nice ma'am.
ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟದ್ದಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ನನಗೆ ನನ್ನ ತಂದೆಯೇ ಮಾದರಿ. ಕೊನೆಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಮದುವೆ ಆದ ನಂತರ ನನ್ನ ಮನೆಯವರೇ ನನಗೆ ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್, ಮುರಳಿ ಕಡೇಕಾರ್ ಅಂತ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಆ ವೃತ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನು ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದೆ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸಂವಹನ, ಹಾಗೆ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದೆ.
What were the best heart-touching moments you have experienced in your teaching career?
Recently, one of my students who is a circle inspector from Mysore, he came all the way here in search of me.
Great.
And he was my NCC cadet.
Oh,
I
really?
remembered those days because he had gone to Delhi along with me for the Republic Day parade. So that was a unique experience. So meeting old students is always a pleasure.
ಒಬ್ಬ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆಂಚಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ಓಪನ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ ಅಂತ. ಅದು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಹರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಥ್ರೆಟ್ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದ, ಅವನ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಆಘಾತವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಮುಗಿದು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿದಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅನುಭವಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ಅವನೇ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದು ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಯನ್ನು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಾದವರು ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ಸಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು.
End of the academic year, I ask the students in class, I give them a sheet of paper. Children, you write whatever you know about your teacher, about myself. While reading in the evening, my eyes were filled with tears because one of the boy wrote, "Miss, you are not a teacher, you are my mother." This really,
it's true.
Yes.
Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me.
On behalf of the entire Trinity family, we would like to thank you on this auspicious occasion of this Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day, sir.
Thank you for
thank you.
your wonderful interview.
Yeah.
And like from my side and from all your old students, I wish you a happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
ತುಂಬ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೇನೆ.
ಆಯಿತು. ನನ್ನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ವೃತ್ತಿಗೆ ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನದೇ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ನಡೆಸಿದ್ದು ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು.
meeting you, recollecting my golden days.
I too wish a very happy Teachers' Day and also good luck in all the way. I wish you all the best.
Thank you, ma'am. So thoughtful of Trinity Central School teachers. Great step to meet their teachers and ask them to share their views too. Let's move on to the next news. A Teachers' Day special. A song sung by the students of Trinity Central School on the occasion of Teachers' Day.
ಕಲಿಸು ಗುರುವೇ ಕಲಿಸು, ಕಲಿಸು ಸದ್ಗುರುವೇ ನೀ ಕಲಿಸು, ಕಲಿಸು ಗುರುವೇ ಕಲಿಸು, ಕಲಿಸು ಸದ್ಗುರುವೇ ನೀ ಕಲಿಸು. ಸುಳ್ಳಿನ ನಡುವಿನ ಸತ್ಯವನಾಡಲು ಕಲಿಸು, ಸುಳ್ಳಿನ ನಡುವಿನ ಸತ್ಯವನಾಡಲು ಕಲಿಸು. ಸ್ವಾರ್ಥದ ನಡುವೆ ನಿಸ್ವಾರ್ಥಿಯಾಗಲು ಕಲಿಸು, ಸ್ವಾರ್ಥದ ನಡುವೆ ನಿಸ್ವಾರ್ಥಿಯಾಗಲು ಕಲಿಸು. ಅಂಜಿ ನಡೆಯುವ ನಡುವೆ ಧೀರನಾಗಲು ಕಲಿಸು, ಅಂಜಿ ನಡೆಯುವ ನಡುವೆ ಧೀರನಾಗಲು ಕಲಿಸು. ಧೈರ್ಯ ದುಷ್ಟರ ನಡುವೆ ಜಾಣನಾಗಲು ಕಲಿಸು, ಕಲಿಸು ಗುರುವೇ ಕಲಿಸು, ಕಲಿಸು ಸದ್ಗುರುವೇ ನೀ ಕಲಿಸು. ಬೆವರಿಳಿಸಿ ಗಳಿಸಿದ ಒಂದು ಕಾಸು ಸಿಕ್ಕ ಹತ್ತಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮಿಗಿಲೆಂಬುದ ಕಲಿಸು. ಬೆವರಿಳಿಸಿ ಗಳಿಸಿದ ಒಂದು ಕಾಸು ಸಿಕ್ಕ ಹತ್ತಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮಿಗಿಲೆಂಬುದ ಕಲಿಸು. ಸೋಲು ಗೆಲುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮಚಿತ್ತದೆಂದಿರಲು, ಸೋಲು ಗೆಲುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮಚಿತ್ತದೆಂದಿರಲು. ಶತ್ರುಗಳಿಗೂ ಸನ್ಮಿತ್ರನಾಗಿರಲು ಕಲಿಸು, ಶತ್ರುಗಳಿಗೂ ಸನ್ಮಿತ್ರನಾಗಿರಲು ಕಲಿಸು. ಹಸಿರು ಮಳೆ ಹೂವಲಿನ ಧ್ಯಾನಿಸುವುದು ಕಲಿಸು, ಜಾಣನಾಗಲು ಕಲಿಸು, ಕಲಿಸು ಗುರುವೇ ಕಲಿಸು, ಕಲಿಸು ಸದ್ಗುರುವೇ ನೀ ಕಲಿಸು. ಕಲಿಸು ಗುರುವೇ ಕಲಿಸು, ಕಲಿಸು ಸದ್ಗುರುವೇ ನೀ ಕಲಿಸು. ಕಲಿಸು ಗುರುವೇ ಕಲಿಸು, ಕಲಿಸು ಸದ್ಗುರುವೇ ನೀ ಕಲಿಸು. लड़खड़ाते हैं हम, थाम लेते हैं आंखें वो, खो जाए राह तो राह रोशन करते वो. कभी मुस्कुराते हैं वो, कभी गुस्सा करते हैं वो, हमें है यकीन हमसे प्यार करते हैं वो. दिए की ज्योति सीप में मोती, ये दुनिया इतनी हसीन ना होती, हम में भी सलीका न होता, जीने का तरीका न होता. ओ टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी, कि भूलेंगे ना तुमको हम कभी. छोटे छोटे हाथ, छोटे से पाँव थे, नन्ही सी आँखों ने जब देखा था तुम्हें, न था मालूम कि तुम ही तो दोगे पहचान हम सभी को, इसलिए शुक्रिया दिल से तुमको.
दिए की ज्योति सीपों में मोती, ये दुनिया इतनी हसीना होती, हम में भी सलीका न होता, जीने का तरीका न होता। वो टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी, कि भूलेंगे ना तुमको हम कभी। लड़खड़ाते हैं हम, थाम लेते हैं आंखें वो, खो जाए राह तो राह रोशन करते वो। छोटे छोटे हाथ छोटे से पावते, नन्हे से आंखों ने जब देखा था तुम्हें, ओ टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी, कि भूलेंगे ना तुमको हम कभी।
Beautifully sung by our friends. That was indeed a splendid act of the day. Thank you. Let's come back after a short break.
Welcome back. Thank you for staying with us. 5th September is the birth anniversary of a great teacher, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was a staunch believer of education, was a diplomat, scholar, the President of India, and above all, a teacher. When some of his friends and students approached him and requested him to celebrate his birthday, he said, "Instead of celebrating my birthday separately, it would be my proud privilege if September 5th is observed as Teachers' Day." From then onwards, the September 5th is observed as Teachers' Day in India.
Ahead of Teachers' Day, the principal of Trinity Central School, Reverend Father Anil De Costa, congratulated all the teachers. Let's listen to the message.
Said Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, "Teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber, and future of an individual. If the people remember me as a good teacher, that will be the biggest honor for me. At the very outset, I would like to proudly express that first of all, I am proud, in fact very proud to be a teacher. The purpose of education is to make good human with the skill and expertise. I extend my respectful salutation to all my teachers who have inspired and emboldened me to become who I am today. It is said that enlightened human beings can be created by teachers. Though God creates us, it is a teacher who molds a student. It is a teacher who identifies the spark in the child and encourages the child to embrace this fierce spirit, igniting their minds and hearts through their valuable and exemplary life. On this day, the portals of our school would be echoing with wishes, joyful smiles, and our hearts so overwhelmed with the immense love and affection. It is but disheartening to see the school empty without the students who would celebrate this day with so much gusto and enthusiasm. I am sure your hearts are filled with the same emotions on missing the celebration of Teachers' Day for the first time ever. Sadden not your hearts, but gladden your soul, for we, your loving teachers, feel your heartbeats. We too miss you a lot and pray for you. in the way we teach, in the knowledge that we share, and in the care and love that we impart. I feel a strong sense of pride gleam as I acknowledge the teaching and non-teaching staff of my Trinity family. Despite being put into the threshold of an uncharted territory of e-teaching, our teachers have broken the glass ceiling with their commitment and dedication. Words fall short to express the gracious pride that I feel in the exemplified courage shown by our teachers to present the lessons through live recording. The quality of the videos speaks volumes about their efforts and efficiency. Dear teachers, Malala Yousafzai strongly advocated one book, one pen, one child, and one teacher can change the world. I am really proud of you, dear teachers. It is because of your dedicated service that Trinity has reached the milestone of 1,000 students this academic year. With many more parents wish to seek admission in our school, let us take pride in our achievements. Dear teachers, let's be the reason for our younger generation to dream big. Let's continue to be their resource to give wings to their dreams and help them achieve them. Let's continue to be their role models and inspire hope, ignite the imagination, and instill the love of learning. God bless us all. Thank you.
That's it from us and our team at Trinity News. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.